Your step-by-step process in creating great images using Midjourney. So what is Midjourney? Midjourney is an AI image generator designed to help users quickly and easily generate beautiful visuals. It uses artificial intelligence to produce stunning visuals with minimal effort and time. The tool is highly customizable and allows users to create unique visuals in seconds. What is Discord? Discord is an internet voice and text-based chat application designed for the gaming community. It's easy to use, free, and allows for quick and convenient communication within gaming communities. How to use the Midjourney bot through Discord and create great images. And how to create your account on Discord. Creating a Discord account is easy and straightforward. Simply complete the form using your email address. Create a username. Give this some thought though. You may wish to use a password generator to create a secure password. Then enter your date of birth. You must verify your email address. Once you have created your Discord account, it is important that you check your emails for a message from Discord. There will be a link in the email that you must click in order to verify your email address. If you do not verify your email address, your account will not operate. Then download Discord on your computer or smartphone. You will find the Discord app in your App Store. The app is available for all smartphone devices. Once everything is set up in Discord, you are now ready to learn how to use Midjourney and create amazing AI images. Now go to the website midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. Now you will accept the invite to join the Midjourney channel. Next, join a Midjourney Newbies channel on their official server. You can select any Newbies channel visible in the left sidebar. But what if you're on a different Discord server? Creating images is easy with the Midjourney bot. Just make sure the bot has been invited to your server. To find out how to use it, simply take a look at the instructions on your server. Utilizing commands with the Midjourney bot on Discord. These commands are useful for generating images from a prompt, altering the default settings, monitoring user information, and performing other advantageous operations. Simply type "imagine" followed by a short text description to create an exclusive image. The Midjourney bot free trial. By producing an image, you can take advantage of Midjourney's free trial period. Up to 25 jobs can be done before a subscription is required. A job is any action that uses the Midjourney bot. These jobs include the "imagine" command, which creates a grid of images, improves the resolution of images, or makes various versions of them, all depleting your free trial time. You can type the "info" command to check just how much of your trial time is left. So what is an AI image generator prompt? An AI image generator prompt is an input that guides a computer's artificial intelligence system in producing an image. These prompts can range from a simple text description, "Draw a picture of a tree," to more complicated parameters that involve multiple parts coming together. Create a picture of a person in a room with a window and a desk. How to create an image generator prompt. When creating an image prompt, you should determine the intention, or desired outcome, of the generated image. You should specify the prompt's parameters. Test the AI tool to see if it produces the desired outcome. You may need to tweak your prompt to create your desired outcome. And now let's try the Midjourney bot. Let's try this prompt. Imagine prompt the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in the modern era. And once the grid of photos has been created, 2 rows of buttons are then presented. Let's try these buttons. So the U buttons can be used to bring an image to the next level, amplifying it to a larger size and sharpening its details. These are upscaled images. And you can make new variations of that single image, producing a new grid of 4 options. You can also redo the upscale base on Midjourney's upscaler model. You can view the upscaled image in your gallery on midjourney.com if you click the Web button, and the V buttons will give you slight modifications to the selected image grid. By doing so, you can come up with a fresh image with a similar aesthetic and arrangement to the one chosen. And these are examples of new image variations. V1. The re-roll replicates the job, thus yielding a freshly generated arrangement of pictures. Some more text-to-image prompt examples. Now try this prompt. Imagine prompt the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in the modern era. Children's book. Imagine prompt the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in the modern era with birds flying in the distance and kids playing around. The sun is setting in a developed world where residential and commercial establishments have been built around the legendary wonder of the world. Imagine prompt an aerial view of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in the modern era with a pinkish background. Imagine prompt 3D image of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in a white background. Imagine prompt framed Chinese watercolor painting of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, hanging above a small brown coffee table in a room with Hellenic designs. Or how about a very long and complicated prompt? Imagine prompt create an AI-generated artwork that depicts the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in a minimal style. The focus of the artwork should be on the structure and design of the structure, with an emphasis on the clean lines and geometric shapes of the building. The minimalist style should be reflected in the use of limited color palette, with neutral tones dominating the scene. The artwork should make use of light and shadow to create depth and contrast, highlighting the unique architectural features of the Hanging Gardens. The overall mood should be utopian and vintage, capturing the functionality and purpose of the structure. The artwork should invite the viewer to appreciate the beauty and the simplicity of the structure's design, while also highlighting the importance of the movements that takes place within its walls. By capturing the essence of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in a minimalist style, the artwork should evoke a sense of efficiency and precision, reflecting the complex and interconnected systems that drive the Neo-Babylon era. Or maybe try this: Hanging Gardens of Babylon in a minimal style, emphasis on the clean lines and geometric shapes. Limited color palette, neutral tones, make use of light and shadow to create depth and contrast, highlighting the unique architectural features. Overall mood should be utopian and vintage beauty in the simplicity of the structure's design. The artwork should evoke a sense of efficiency and precision. Where do the photos go? You can save the images from the Discord server. To open the image to its full size, click on it. Once you've done that, right-click and select Save Image. If you're using mobile, long tap the image and then tap the download icon located in the top right corner. But instead of scrolling up and down the Discord server to view the images you generated through the Midjourney bot, you can sign in with Discord and go through the midjourney.com/app. Wow, take a look at my Midjourney gallery. Want to have an advantage and generate more AI images through the Midjourney bot? Check out their subscription plans. Jobs don't have an expiration date, but they won't automatically renew either. You can use the subscribe command in any bot channel to be taken to your Midjourney account page. The advantages and disadvantages of AI-generated images. Advantages: more accurate than manually created images. Much faster and more efficiently than manually created images. Images can have a wide range of effects. Disadvantages: images can be difficult to generate. Images may not always look realistic. Images can be difficult to control. The implications of AI for the future of image creation. It could lead to a more efficient and cost-effective production process. It could lead to an entirely new form of creativity. It could provide a level of accuracy and detail that is impossible with human-created images. Your imagination is the limit. Where previously we were limited by our own talent, now we are free to create stunning art with the only limits being our ability to express our imagination through text description.